Raleigh Moving Services, your premier choice for home and office relocations. Raleigh is growing fast, and more families and businesses are on the move. At Better Life Moving, we make every relocation smooth, stress-free, and reliable. Our team combines local expertise, advanced equipment, and real-time updates to protect your belongings and keep you in control. From apartments and houses to offices and corporate campuses, we handle every type of move, even delicate items like pianos, antiques, or sensitive electronics. Need packing or storage? Choose full service, partial, or DIY supplies, plus secure, climate-controlled facilities for complete peace of mind. Our clients praise our punctuality, careful handling, and friendly crews. Whether it's a local move in Wake Forest or a corporate relocation in Research Triangle Park, we deliver results. Better Life Moving is your premier choice in Raleigh. Request your free estimate today at efamoving.com and start your next chapter with confidence.